Hey there, how's it going? My name is Jonathan King and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make money online without any investment. That's right, no website, no email list, nothing. Just pure value and actionable steps. Stick around till the end for a secret method that's earned me tons of money. You won't want to miss it. If you're into working from anywhere, please subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get notified every week when my new videos come out. And if you see that like button, go ahead and give it a little tickle for me. Let's dive right in and start making money online without any investment. First, choose your niche. Write down your interests and skills. Your niche will define everything you do. Next, find products to promote on ClickBank. It's free, and you can find products in various categories. Sort by gravity to see the most popular ones. Now, for traffic, this is where the magic happens. Use Facebook groups. Join groups related to your niche and participate. Create your own group and provide value. Share tips and articles and engage with your members. Pin a welcome post with useful resources and your affiliate links. Creating a Facebook group is the secret method. Engage consistently to build trust and drive traffic. Curated content. Share valuable articles and videos from reputable sources. Add your insights and include your affiliate links naturally. This builds authority and trust with your audience. That's it. Pick your niche, find quality products, drive free traffic, and leverage curated content. If you want to dive deeper into affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share any other ideas you may have in the comments. See you in the next video. Let's make money online together.